This is Tesla Cybertruck. Some people say this is the best futuristic innovation, and some people claim that this is the ugliest truck. I don't know which one is right, but let's find out now. This is almost $100,000 truck, and it has so much problem that I heard. Today we are going to find out. So look at the front. You see the light, it looks so fantastic. It looks so nice. But see, it catches so much dirty because this is not real paint. On the other hand, this is very strong. Stainless is still very strong, so nobody will dare to hit your truck. I think this is one of the benefit, I think. But the problem is, look at the finishing. You want to spend $100,000, but the car has a gap everywhere, sharp edges. Look, you can hook it up anytime, scratch your body, your clothes, anybody car. Look, this is a plastic. And in the front, look, this is the giant windshield wiper. $125 cost. If you break this glass, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. Anyway, so look at the around. Look at side. I think it looks okay to me. Not ugly, but it's a lot of different. It's a different innovation. But I feel like this side pretty strong. Stainless is steel, but here is the plastic. You know, Elon Musk said this truck is built for all planet. So if it is all planet, that means you can drive this to Mars, Moon, and you can drive this Earth on the river, on the hillside, uneven places, everywhere you can drive. That's good. So you can drive rough, basically. The tire is giant. But one question, this car will go only 325 miles, and after 2-3 years later it will decrease. I don't think so. You can go too far. You have to drive locally, I guess. I'm not sure. So if you come backside here, one of the problem we found is this is the place you charge your truck, and it's too far from backside. So when you go super charging station, you have the charging cable is pretty short, so people get a little bit hard time to pull it over. Okay, I mean, if you charge at home, you won't have any issue. Backside. Look at this backside. I know this is pretty strong because you can carry 11,000 lb. That's plenty of load. But I think the room is like narrow in here. I think I was expecting a little bit more room, so that way you could carry more items. The good thing is here, so you can operate this shade through the switch. You don't have to do manually. So yeah, and you can cover like this. Okay. So here is the outlet, 240 volts. You can take out from here, and 110, two of them. So extra outlet you can enjoy. You can take electricity and can run when you go camping or fishing or anything you do. And the micro oven you can run from here. That's pretty good idea. So I guess this is the first year of this car, and a lot of people complaining. I think they're complaining too early. They need to experience this car. They have to see everything Elon Musk created, like Model 3, X, S. At the beginning it had problem. Eventually they learned from mistake and they fixed that issue. That's why I bought my Tesla Model Y later, because the beginning Tesla Model Y, there are a lot of problems. So I waited, and then I bought it. And it's never perfect. There is a problem always, so we have to go with that. So here is the passenger seat. So if you are not really too big, so then you can sit 3 people in here. I'm a skinny guy. I'm sitting in the middle on the pilot seat. 2 other people can sit in here, I guess. It's gonna be a little bit tight to compare with this truck. I was expecting a little bit more room, but I think that's quite okay. I think I have enough leg room in here. You can stretch your leg and you can relax and sit in here. And I think the other seat, on the passenger seat, you can push it. That way you don't have push back in here. You can have enough room. But amazing thing is this screen. It looks amazing here. If you have kids, they can see this screen. This is a new edition. I guess with all Tesla Model 3, Tesla Model Y, Tesla Model X and S, all they have this screen. It's kind of cool thing to have. One other thing, in between these two seats, you have a lot of room, so you can look ahead and have a conversation with your front passenger or driver, and you can also look in ahead. This side, we have a lot of room to keep any items in here, copy or any items you want to keep. You have a lot of room in there. The cool thing is it has the LED light on the side. I guess all around the side it will look beautiful at night time. And when I'm sitting in here, I feel comfortable, but I don't know when the taller people, like taller than me or big people, will sit. This glass is very close to head, so in summertime it will make pretty hard on your head, and you feel that really hard. I have Tesla Model Y and I feel like I get really hard time. So I don't know, this glass is very close to my head. So if you are like more than 6 feet, then you might will have the issue. But I am 5 feet 6 inches. I'm okay with this right now. So what else you want? You have a cargo capacity 11,000 lb. You have seat for 3 people. You have passenger and the driver can sit in here. So you have everything. You are getting a car and same time you are getting a lot of room for your truck. I think that's pretty amazing. Now this truck, I think the price wise pretty expensive. There are 2 models. One is all-wheel drive, cost 75,000. I mean 74,500, and the Beast Cybertruck Beast costs $95,000, and 2 different color, white color and gray color. So this is your choice, which color you like. I think the LED lights and it make a nice look at night time. There is a small room in here. You can keep some items in here. You can open it, and there is a hook in here, so you can use throwing anything, pulling anything. You can always drive in the water, because this truck you can drive up to here underwater. You can drive, a lot of people driving in the water, and also you can drive in the hillside, in the some of the uneven places, and that's pretty even. So let's go take a look inside how this car look inside. I have been driving my Tesla Model Y, and when I'm driving this truck I feel different experience. My experience is this truck is pretty big for me, like the front head is too big and I feel a little bit uncomfortable, and you cannot look at the mirror view. You have to depend on the screen. That's one of the things. My steering wheel is pretty tiny, but I mean I guess that's okay. But the good thing is you have a lot of room in here and you can enjoy the room, and you have a LED light in here that will make look beautiful at night time. You have a kids, they will like it. But the front, this dashboard is like plastic made. I don't think so after like 5-10 years it will look like this good. It's gonna be a little bit fade out. So that's one of the things. And when I drive in front, I cannot imagine like what is my car is going to hit anybody or not. There is no sensor in there. That's kind of thing I get confused. So everything has a good and bad side. Now choice is on your. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video.